Angie here with Elevation DIY, and today we're going to be doing our master bedroom. I'm going to start with the ceiling. Currently our ceiling is covered with a texture that was created with joint compound. So I'm going to spray it with some water to loosen it up, and then I'm going to scrape it. And this should reveal a much smoother ceiling surface. So to get started, what I'm going to do is spray the ceiling, and I'm going to use my husband's spray gun for that. He is a painter, so I'm going to be using his spray gun. But if you don't have that available, a garden sprayer would work just as fine. And once I let that water sit on the ceiling for a moment, I'm going to go in with a spatula and another form of scraper, and I'm just going to run this along and scrape that texture right off. It should come off fairly easy once I've let that water sit for a little bit. But before we do all of that, safety's first. So you want to get yourself a pair of good goggles and put them on so you can go ahead and protect your eyes. And then we're going to spray the ceiling. So I'm going to let that sit for a moment, and then I'll give it about 3 minutes, and then I'm going to go in with the scraper to test it to see if it's ready for me to scrape off. It should come off fairly easy. It's about ready now. I'm going to go ahead and try it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the top layer off, and then I'll go back and spray it and let that sit for a minute, and then I'll go back and scrape it. So I've gotten this far with it, and I'm gonna go do the whole filling. I think I might call my husband in to get some of this done. But that's pretty much it. Just spraying it, letting it sit for a moment, scraping it and going from there.